Hey there, Killimiro here, and in this video, I want to touch on a specific use case that you might have with your store and the difference between NorthCommerce and WooCommerce. So we talked about products a little bit earlier, and one of the things that I wanted to point out was inside of NorthCommerce, we have subscriptions built in. Now, the implementation for this is synced with Stripe and PayPal if you're using those as payment methods, because those were like the early proof of concepts that we built. But in the future, subscriptions will be handled on your end and on the server side end, like your store will own that, and you could use any payment method with NorthCommerce subscriptions. So this is all included inside of NorthCommerce. Now, if you want to add a subscription product with WooCommerce, what you have to do is you have to go to woo.com and then go to their extensions, and then we'll just search for it here. Subscriptions, it's even already right here. And the cost for this is $279 a year. So this is billed annually, about $23 a month, and $280 a year. Now this is a pretty robust subscription system, but the same feature set that you'll see in Woo subscriptions, you'll see shortly inside of NorthCommerce natively. And you'll be able to manage this right here. So you'll be able to set a price, you'll be able to set the frequency, so weekly, monthly, yearly. If you want to have a free trial period, you can do that based on how many days, months, and years. So this is all available now. It's just you have to have Stripe integrated first, and then you can create the subscription. But in the near future, we're going to update that. So you can use Stripe subscriptions if you wanted to, but if you don't have Stripe or you want to manage everything on your own website, then you'll be able to have that option as well. So then we also have like price for the first period. So say like the first month you want to be $15, but then every month after that, it's going to be, $60 or something like that. You can do all of that inside of NorthCommerce right now. All that is included inside NorthCommerce. And if you go check out our pricing, you'll see that NorthCommerce starts at $199, which includes subscriptions. You can get the one-time LTD right now. It's $497. If you want to split that up with two payments, one today and then 30 days from now pay the second payment, then you can do that as well. So there's huge advantages to using NorthCommerce and paying up front, because you're going to get all of these features out of the box. Now, we're young. You've seen people say this. There was a YouTube video from WP Tuts that I think that touched on that. We're kind of the small guy, but how we like to look at things on the NorthCommerce team is that we're people who've been in situations, who've built stores that have generated millions of dollars, who've dealt with struggles and felt the pain and interact in communities and seen people want more out of something. And so we're here as community members of the WordPress ecosystem that want to see something better and want to see less people leaving the WordPress ecosystem because it's just easier to do it on Squarespace, or it's just easier to go to Shopify, or my favorite influencer is using Wix, so I might as well use them too. We want to keep people in the WordPress ecosystem. So I think that's where our WooCommerce and NorthCommerce values align in growing the WordPress ecosystem, providing really, really great tools. And so this is just another reason why we're building NorthCommerce, to make it easier. You still have to pay money for NorthCommerce, and you still have to pay money for WooCommerce, especially when it comes to having features that you want, like subscriptions and things like that. So I don't want to fully compare prices and we're going to save you money and things like that. The ultimate goal is, here's the difference. I want you guys to make the choice for yourselves, and it would be awesome to have your support. Any sort of financial support or community support that you guys can give us helps us tremendously. And we've been working on this for a few years now, and we're continuing to move forward. We're continuing to build, even if it's just one store at a time right now, to flesh out all of the bugs and the features that we need inside of NorthCommerce, then that's what we're going to do. And so I'm excited with the progress we've made. I hope that this series has helped. There's going to be a few more videos, I think, as we evolve in the comparisons. But this is the biggest difference that I wanted to point out, was the subscriptions and just those little details that you might need in your business to sell different product types, and what it costs and what you get for that price. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear any of your opinions or comments or feedback or questions in the comment below this video. I'd love to reach out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.